the technical trader at the techtrader.com. It's Thursday, the 15th of December. Normally we do a weekly swing review, and I'm going to do that, but I first want to show you the precarious position the market's in right now. On the hourly charts, what appears to me as a megaphone type pattern, you don't see that too often, but it's bearish, and a double top with a massive potential head and shoulders as well. On the S&P, it's a topping pattern as well, and we're down underneath support. And if there's a downside follow through, this could get very ugly. So I want to caution everybody out there to get protective and or raise cash, particularly if we do bounce. We'll see what that bounce looks like. Look at the swing trade reviews. AOUT, which had a beautiful base and broke out, has pulled back to the breakout point. It might be an interesting opportunity. Stock came off of the 970 low, finished at 1017, was actually up on a very bad down day today. Keep an eye on this one. Targets 11.5 and 13. AXSM holding on beautifully considering the market, I would say. And a beautiful rising wedge. This is keeps hearing stories about a potential takeover in the $100 range. Stay tuned. MNDY, 4 days in a row up in a lousy market. You can see the way it's holding after the breakout. This is a tech trader swing, as you know, and 29.5 and 33.34 on the targets. BE broke out yesterday, but backed off today. Still, I like the look of it, and I'm looking for a move to 27 and 31. Market cooperating, of course. BEAT breaks out of a wedge, pops and pulls back, tests the moving average, runs up and breaks out again. Now another retest today. Very volatile stock, down about 10% today, so careful. The key is 4. The upside target 6 3/4 and 8. VOX broke out, put a swing on it, and accelerated for a couple of days and then backed off. Today off a couple percent, no big deal, but if it consolidates in the zone, 33 and 35 targets. EDU broke out, pulled back, and popped again today, but it couldn't get through the prior high. Nevertheless, up 72 cents on a lousy day after breaking out of a pattern. I still think we're going to see 39 and 45. EHTH popped out, pulled back and wedge, and broke out, but today backed off again. Still, I'm thinking this extends to 5.5 and 7. FDMT, multi-week consolidation and funny broke out, only to pull right back again. I think the angles change as well. It looks more like a rising channel, slightly. Target 27, 30, and 35. GDS popped, broke out, put a swing on it. It's been acting great. They pull back and right back up again. Today, not a good day for most stocks, including that one, as it backed off resistance at near 21.90.22. Target 23 and 25. LI, along with a lot of the Chinese electric vehicle manufacturers, in 1, 2, 3 wave 4 wedge, popped out but backed off. We need to get it above 21.80 to get it going. Targets 10, 24, 5, and 28. Up next, MNDY breaking out of an inverse head and shoulder and pulling back to retest, but looking good. My targets are 140 and 160. OM explode, pullback, and then stair step your way higher. Reached the top of the channel yesterday, backed off today. If you can hold it around that 21.60-70 range, I'm still good with it. Matter of fact, the angle may have changed as well. We'll see if that works. Target 28. Puma, big base, breakout, coil, pop. 2 inside days in a row, targeting 6. Prpl, rumored to be taken over as well. They got an offer, they turned it down. After breaking out of the base, it's backing and filling. It looks now like the stock may make a run at 7 3/4 area. RNG, also an inverse head and shoulders type pattern. A pop to resistance, double top in this, triple top in this area. This is key resistance. We can get this one over 42.5. Targets of 45 and 48. SCO with the oil bear ETF. If oil comes down, this might run. I'm thinking that could occur. We'll see. Support at 25, resistance at 30, targeting 33 and 37. Tabula, breakaway gap in a big one with big volume and then a pullback wedge. If we can get out of this level, I'm looking for 360 and 5. VERI breaks out of inverse head and shoulders as well and pulls back, but it's holding tight in this area. I like the look of it, targeting 9 3/4 and 11. And funny, VRNA popped out. We put a swing on it and made it to first resistance and backed off. Needs to hold 11.5 and then take out 14.5 if so, target 17. And let's look at some of the swing trades that we put on the last few weeks at the techtrader.com. Good night, everybody.